starting now, 1 minute.
For what?
So, ano yung naninibago? Yung mga kilong bigas. Picture yung pukuhan nyo ng bigas na 5 kilo. May Gcash siya. Forty seconds na lang. Basta pagka nakita nyo na yung kakaiba sa itsura ko. So, almost a minute na. Okay. Ikaw, may napansin ka? Ha? Sa akin?
Yeah, bagong haircut. New haircut.
Yung mga kilong bigas.
I want.
Yung lalaman nyo. Yung lalaman nyo.
This is online. They didn't know. Nice, so nice.
Ah. Ibang maker yun. Yung nag-cut sa akin. Event maker.
Oh, producer.
May sound siya. This jockey.
What's the name?
Easy Rider. Easy Rider.
Easy Rider. May Facebook.
Easy Rider. Ano? Sa Facebook.
Easy Riders here.
Toronto.
Musician.
Tignan mo lang yung reels ko. Punta ka sa reels ko, ano? Baka hindi yan. Baka hindi yan. Punta ka muna sa reels ko. Sa reels ko, tignan mo yung kasi tinag ko siya eh. Yung may comment. Yung reels na may comment. Yeah, may comment yan, di ba? May nakalagay may comment. Tignan mo yung comment.
Eduardo Pinoya.
Kita mo yung comment? Tapos i-click mo yung Easy Rider. Yung comment ko ng Easy Rider.
Oh, Ez Rider.
Easy. No, pero sa kanya, easy.
Easy. Yeah, Easy. So it's a DJ too. That's nice.
And he's artist and he likes the I mentioned the event, pero November, di ba? Pero he said no, that can be a Halloween. November can be Halloween, you know. It has to be before or Halloween party.
It's a All Souls Day and Saints Day. Look at the model. This is his business.
Yung galing siya nagsarapan. Magaling siya, oh. Magaling siya maggupit.
That's
Pinakita ko sa kanya yung yun nga, sa kanila yun. Yung bike na
Electric.
sabi niya, itag mo ako para ako.
Easy bike. I think it's not electric.
Easy ride.
Ah,
Not
electric.
easy bike.
E-bikes. E-bikes.
Bike siya.
Electric. So he owns this.
It cuts here
That's here.
and owns that place.
Tanong mo kay Manny kung sa kung makakasama siya sa susunod.
Kids next door
Supposed
have
to be
one too, eh?
1 hour.
Kids next door, the Muslim ones, well, they're all
They have
Muslim.
a bike.
They have the scooter. The father was on it the other day. I'm like, hey, you better put on a helmet.
Ngayon, wala.
The boys grown up now.
Ako, tagal ko rin hindi nagtatry.
So I mean, 1 hour break.
Pero
No video at least. No video game. No nothing.
Wala.
trabaho.
Wala. Dapat meron eh.
I should have video. Reviews.
Hindi, saka Netflix siya. Pero, pagka inalis ko yung paabo sa asin nito, titigil siya.
Bonjour.
Kasi ano siya eh, wala siya makina eh. Wala siya makina eh.
Once again, business.
Parang kabulo yung isang sakyan. Kaya nga,
Pag meron ka sa Philippines,
ang ano ba sa pinakamayaman ko,
I'm driving now.
yeah.
Tesla.
wala.
What kind of
Bumili ako ng relo.
That's a smartwatch.
Ha?
It's a smartwatch. Android.
Oo. Punta ko dito sa ang daming mga
Electronic.
electronic sa mga ano ba. Today is $20. Kung ano yung laman ng box, $20 na.
Amazon.
Yeah, Amazon something.
Open box.
Yeah.
But it's still good.
Ha?
Watch, $20.
What?
The watch, $20.
Yeah, $20, yeah. And the bag. But yung shoulder bag ko ang ganda pero mahina yung material napunit. Ngayon, I fixed it, but now it's respect, pero the glue is showing because instead of stitching it,
You glued it.
I glued it with the hot glue.
Oh.
Hot glue, yeah, hot glue. Yeah. But you can
You can notice.
you can do it, but you gotta be nice, because if anything that you press it, it comes out, right? But it's just the right amount. You might, but I found a rod. I just cut it and I size it, and then I put the glue. But it worked though. It worked. But those white things around the it looks bad.
Try to sew it.
Huh?
Try to sew it.
It looks bad because see huh?
Fabric.
Fabric glue. No, but that's the
Yung gagamitin mo yung
no. Actually, that's the one.
para hindi ka na
That's the
Fabric
one.
glue is for material,
Yeah, it's a.
not hot glue.
It's a glue, like epoxy.
Yeah, but I don't believe those. This one is better. You
I
don't.
will try.
Huh?
We have some. I will try.
It's a glue gun. It is, yeah. They use it from like every Christmas time. They used it at the Santa Claus area there.
It's quick.
Uh-huh.
It dries fast.
Yeah.
Depends on the material.
Well, it's safe. It's safe because I have pants, right? That it got hole. But it was like that when I was. There's a hole, and there's a patches in it, like and those things came out already. It's falling apart. So I have to put a glue into it and repatch it. And wash and wear. Still wash and wear. Huh? Still wash and wear. Usually other type of glue that you use, once you wash it, it comes apart already, right? But this one no.
How is it now?
Huh?
How much is the bag?
Huh?
How much is the
How much the
bag?
bag?
$3?
Huh? The bag is $15. But I went through with it, a lot of, and now I ended up buying this. I have it in the car, but and I had it. But when I went to that place and I saw this, I transferred everything here. 'Cause I saw this for $20. So I said, might as well buy it, then look stupid on the bag. And then I bought a mop.
Mop?
A mop, yeah.
For cleaning?
But it picks up the thing, lint and everything, and then it's thin like that.
Oh.
And it's good to linoleum like that, or like this.
Just a dry mop.
Yeah, but it's not hairy. It's just and you wash it, you pull it down, and then just like but like a Velcro, yeah, like a Velcro, and then
Yung nastro,
Where's this from?
Huh?
From where? Amazon?
Yeah, Amazon. Yeah,
We went there, man. We're buying one.
they have it in Kennedy and Lawrence by that beer store over. What's the beer store over there? Or yeah, but yeah.
White Shield Plaza. White Shield Plaza.
Is it no? There's a Chinese center.
Kennedy Lawrence? Yeah. There's
Yeah,
the
Chinese-
Harvey's in the corner.
And yeah, there's a hamburger joint also. Is it yeah, but then there's another one. Not Harvey's. There's another one. He's facing Lawrence. Facing Lawrence.
It's the Lawrence. There's a chicken place there.
Yeah, there's church chicken under too.
So it's in that plaza?
Yeah, there's a hamburger joint over there.
No, the store you bought the stuff from.
Yeah, in that area.
The area or that plaza?
Yeah, the plaza. Yeah.
Check it out.
There's a hamburger joint over there. Yes, across the Shoppers Drug Mart.
Hamburger joint.
There's a Filipino place there.
It's gonna-
No, yeah, but well, yeah. But then Shoppers Drug Mart is just across to it.
Oh, where the
The hamburger joint.
There's a Harvey's there.
Yeah, but I know Harvey's. But
Chinese supermarket.
there's another one that serves blackie like that, and yeah,
It's in that plaza.
yeah, in that plaza, yeah.
Supermarket is. Check those out, please.
I forget the name.
Kennedy and Lawrence.
Huh?
Across from the Harvey's, Chinese restaurant.
There's a hamburger joint there.
Hamburger joint.
There is a hamburger joint there.
A hamburger with marijuana.
They cook it in front of you, right? In front of you, and then you choose what kind of, like relish, like
Yeah.
all the relish like that, or yeah. And
Harvey's.
Harvey's.
that's I mean, this Harvey's also. That's the difference.
Pizza Nova supply there too.
And behind it is the church chicken opened up just behind it, but he's
The
on
place you're talking about.
it's on Lawrence. He's in Lawrence. There's dollar store there. Yeah, see.
All I want to know is the store you're talking about. I don't care what the burger place. It's in that plaza.
Yeah. This is in the plaza also. But he's not.
The hamburger place you're
He's
talking
not-
about, it's a Greek guy. It's a Greek guy.
Yeah, a Greek guy.
Yeah.
He's not adjoining with the anything. He's
I know. By himself.
yeah,
That's
by
why I
himself,
wasn't
yeah.
including that. Yeah. There's a high school across the street. That's why you're also.
yeah. See, I told you. See?
I grew up there.
I worked there. Huh? I worked there.
Live there.
I worked there, and
We're gonna go. I don't like it. Uy, kuya. Alex, hindi kami. Ganda. Ganda. Hindi mo naman lang inumin si kuya.
Nalasing na ako.
Ano ba?
Lasing na ako. Baso na ng baso ba?
Ate, wala namang alam. Meron po yan, wala nakakulat. Bigyan mo ako ng shot ng coke. Kuya,
ito, yun, may bagong gupit yung mga
Giving away 5K na surprise, asking people, what do you notice?
ano,
Nobody noticed. I said, when he asked me, I said the haircut. Oh, then I won. I know.
For 8 kilos of rice.
okay.